Are the Telegram users in your phone number list actually active? Many businesses waste time messaging accounts that haven't been active for weeks or even months. Telegram Active helps you quickly identify active Telegram users from large phone number lists and focus on contacts that are more likely to respond. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Telegram Active on NumberCheck.ai step by step. Visit NumberCheck.ai and explore the available account verification products. Click Get Started to create an account or sign into the platform. Before using the service, make sure your account has sufficient credits available. Return to the product list. Under the messaging category, locate Telegram Active and click Buy Now. Select the target country or region that matches your phone number list. Upload a TXT or CSV file containing phone numbers. One phone number per line is recommended. Click Start Detection to begin checking Telegram account activity. After processing is completed, review the checking results on the results page. The results show which Telegram accounts are active and available for outreach. Click Download to save the complete results file. The exported file contains Telegram accounts identified as active users. These results can help improve outreach efficiency, audience targeting, lead generation, and Telegram marketing campaigns.